Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have completed the chapter, the unit number 9. And in today's session, I'm going to start with the revision part of your unit 2. Okay, so as you know that you will be having your unit number 6, 7, 8 and 9 in your unit test 2. So that's what I'm in the term 2 actually. So that's what we are going to start in our today's session. So today we are going to start with the revision part from your GK book. So starting with the first topic from the revision, that is folk dances of India. So I'm going to start with the revision part. Okay, so now we are going to start with the revision part of your GK, that is folk dances of India. Okay, folk dances of India, given at page number, that is 35. Folk dances of India. So what is the meaning of this folk dances of India? इसका मतलब क्या है? So the meaning of folk dances of India is, there, as you know, there are various folk dances that are being performed in our country by the various states. हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारी states हैं. There are बहुत सारी मतलब there are 28 states. Okay, पहले 29 थी, now it's again 28. ओके, कुछ स्टेट्स हैं जो मर्ज हो गई हैं, कुछ स्टेट्स हैं जो यूटीज बन गई हैं, सम हैव बिकेम द कुछ हैं जो पार्ट हो गई हैं एक दूसरे से. सो देर आर 28 स्टेट्स इन आवर कंट्री. सो देर आर डिफरेंट डांस फॉर्म्स, देर आर डिफरेंट फोक डांसेस एक्चुअली that are being performed by the people of that particular state during their different festivals, during their different celebrations. तो जब भी वो अपनी कोई सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं, जब भी वो कोई अपना फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, सो दे जस्ट प्ले दीज फोक डांसेस. तो उस टाइम पे ये फोक डांस करते हैं. ओके, सो इन दिस टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट और वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द वेरियस फोक डांसेस. हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे जो फोक डांसेस हैं जो कि परफॉर्म करते हैं बाय द परफॉर्मर्स. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दैम. Clear? So starting with the first one, that is Garba. Okay, so that is the first dance form that is I'm talking about, that is Garba. That is Garba. So Garba is the dance form of which state? Garba कौन से state की dance form है? So the Garba is the dance form of Gujarat. Garba is the dance form of Gujarat. जो गुजरात के लोग हैं, they perform this traditional dance during the नवरात्रिज. आपने सुना होगा जब भी नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेशन होता है तो जो मोस्टली जो गुजराती पीपल हैं वो ये डांस फॉर्म परफॉर्म करते हैं. ओके, बहुत अभी तो देखिए ड्यू टू कोविड-19 ऐसे कुछ डांस फॉर्म्स कहीं परफॉर्म होते हैं, बट जब किसी भी तरह का कोई सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं वो लोग, सो व्हेन दे सेलिब्रेट एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, सपोज जैसे उनको अपना कोई फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करना है, ठीक है, उनको कोई अपना कुछ भी, जैसे कि कोई शादी ब्याह में कोई वेडिंग्स होती है, सेरेमनीज होती हैं, सो दे प्ले दिस पार्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज जस्ट अ फोक डांस ऑफ गरबा, सॉरी गुजरात. ओके, सो दिस इज मोस्ट, देखिए जो जरूरी नहीं है कि जो गुजराती लोग हैं ओनली दे परफॉर्म गरबा. ऑल द पीपल दे लव टू परफॉर्म गरबा बिकॉज द म्यूजिक. ओके, दोज पीपल जो अपनी जिंदगी को एंजॉय करते हैं, ऑलवेज जस्ट दे, उनको सिर्फ एक जरूरत होती है एक बहाने की टू परफॉर्म एनी काइंड ऑफ डांस. ओके, सो आज so in this topic we are talking about one of the famous dance form, that is Garba, and that belongs to Gujarat. Okay, so फाल्गुनी पाठक के जो मोस्टली सॉन्ग्स होते हैं दैट आर गरबा सॉन्ग्स. ठीक है, जब भी कोई नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेशंस होती हैं तो उस टाइम पे जो बड़े बड़े सिंगर्स हैं, दे कम इनटू द ह्यूज क्राउड. ओके, एंड दे सिंग द सॉन्ग एंड द पीपल दे परफॉर्म द गरबा. Okay, so that is Garba. The Garba में that is they also use a prop, so that is known as Dandiya. देखिए डांडिया गरबा जो दो एक तरह से दिस इज डांडिया गरबा जो मोस्टली जो गरबा है उसको उसमें किसी भी तरह का कोई भी प्रॉप यूज नहीं होता, बट सम ऑफ देम दे समटाइम दे यूज द प्रॉप लाइक हैंकचीफ, लाइक जो डांडिया जिसको वो स्टिक होती है, सो दे यूज ब्यूटीफुल स्टिक्स ऑल्सो, समटाइम दे यूज द ब्यूटीफुल हैंकचीफ्स, कलरफुल हैंकचीफ्स टू परफॉर्म दिस डांस फॉर्म, दैट इज गरबा. सो गरबा इज अ डांस फॉर्म ऑफ गुजरात. सेकेंड वन, दैट इज घूमर. Okay, so that is second dance form that we are talking about, that is Ghumar. So Ghumar is the famous dance form of Rajasthan. Ghumar is the famous dance form of Rajasthan. जो राजस्थान के लोग हैं, they perform this folk dance, okay, again during their some ट्रेडिशनल फेस्टिवल्स, जब कोई ट्रेडिशनल फेस्टिवल्स या ट्रेडिशनल सेलिब्रेशंस जब वो करते हैं, ओके, दे ऑल्सो परफॉर्म घूमर ड्यूरिंग द वेडिंग सेरेमनीज. ठीक है, आजकल तो वेरियस डांस स्टेज डांसेस होते हैं, तो जो वहाँ पे वो ट्रेडिशनल जो डांसर्स हैं उनको बुलाते हैं एंड दे परफॉर्म द वेरियस डांसेस. ठीक है, तो आजकल देखिए देयर इज एक ट्रेंडिंग है कि लोग अपने जो फोक डांसेस हैं, क्योंकि स्पेशली इन पंजाब आई हैव सीन, जो पंजाब में जो लोग हैं तो उनका जब डांस फॉर्म जो उनका फेमस डांस फॉर्म है भांगड़ा, तो वैसे ही बहुत सारे जो लोग हैं तो अपने स्टेट का जो फोक डांस परफॉर्म करने के लिए वेडिंग सेरेमनीज में बुलाते हैं डांसर्स को, एंड दे परफॉर्म दीज डांस फॉर्म्स एंड दे लुक वेरी एलिगेंट. मतलब वो दे आर प्रॉपरली ड्रेस्ड, ओके, इन देयर पर्टिकुलर डांसिंग कॉस्ट्यूम में ड्रेस्ड होते हैं, सो दे जस्ट लुक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड द कलरफुल एज वेल. सो दिस घूमर इज द डांस फॉर्म ऑफ राजस्थान. The Ghumar is famous dance form of Rajasthan. Rajasthan. So Ghumar is the famous dance form of Rajasthan. Moving to the third one, that is the third dance form is Bhangra. So the third dance form that I am talking about, that is Bhangra. So Bhangra is the famous dance form of Punjab. तो भांगड़ा कहाँ का फेमस डांस फॉर्म है? दैट इज ऑफ पंजाब. तो पंजाब का जो फेमस डांस फॉर्म है दैट इज भांगड़ा. सो जो लोग हैं, जो पंजाबी लोग हैं, दे यूजली परफॉर्म दिस डांस फॉर्म. ओके, वो ज़्यादातर ये डांस फॉर्म परफॉर्म करते हैं. ओके, सो ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिवल्स दिस सेड दैट इट इज बिलीव दैट द पंजाबीज दे ओनली नीड म्यूजिक टू डांस. उनको सिर्फ म्यूजिक चाहिए, तो बिकॉज दे एंजॉय द लाइफ सो, मतलब दे आर सो लाइवली. वो इतने लाइवली होते हैं कि वो अपनी हर जो एक व्हाट वी कॉल इट, कि वो अपनी हर एक सेलिब्रेशन, छोटी से छोटी सेलिब्रेशंस को भी ग्रैंड बना देते हैं. ओके, सो बाय परफॉर्मिंग ऑल दीज ट्रेडिशनल डांसेस. ओके, सो दिस भांगड़ा इज वन ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल डांस फॉर्म ऑफ Punjab. Okay, so Bhangra, this Bhangra is mainly performed by the men's as well as by the women's. Okay, तो भांगड़ा देखिए जो वुमेन, जो औरतें हैं, जो लड़कियां हैं, तो men and women they both perform the भांगड़ा. Another is Gidda. So Gidda is another dance form of the Punjab only, and that is being performed by the girls. Okay, तो जो girls का जो डांस होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? गिद्दा. तो गिद्दे में क्या होता है बेटा? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द, तो देखिए जब उनकी ट्रेडिशन, जब उनकी वेडिंग्स होती हैं, जिसको कि हम अनंत कारज बोलते हैं, तो ड्यूरिंग देयर वेडिंग्स द ओल्ड लेडीज इन द हाउसेज दे ऑलवेज परफॉर्म दीज ब्यूटिफुल डांसेस. ओके, दैट इज गिद्दा. सो भांगड़ा इज अनदर फेमस डांस फॉर्म ऑफ पंजाब. सो भांगड़ा इज द फेमस डांस फॉर्म ऑफ पंजाब. दैट इज अ फेमस डांस फॉर्म ऑफ Punjab. Clear? Moving to the fourth one. The fourth one is, that is Chhau. Chhau is the famous dance form of Odisha. तो जो ओडिशा के जो लोग हैं, okay, the fourth one is Chhau. CHHAU. Okay, so Chhau is the traditional dance form of Odisha. ओडिशा के जो लोग हैं दे परफॉर्म दिस ट्रेडिशनल डांस. ओके, जब उनके भी when they just make any kind of celebrations or any festivals. ओके, सो इसके लिए छाऊ के लिए तो दे just need a मतलब उनको एक स्पेशल कॉस्ट्यूम चाहिए होता है. तो फॉर परफॉर्मिंग दिस छाऊ डांस दे नीड अ वेरी पर्टिकुलर कॉस्ट्यूम. ओके, सो दैट इज वेरी मतलब ग्रैंड एंड मतलब उनके सिर पे एक बड़ा सारा दे जस्ट एक होता है कि सेमी सर्कल शेप में, एंड द कॉस्ट्यूम इज वेरी हैवी एंड वेरी कलरफुल एंड वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, bright color का very, okay, and the makeup that is being done by the dance Chhau dance performers, that is also very different from the other dance forms. Okay, so Chhau is a famous dance form of Odisha. Chhau is the famous dance form of Odisha. Odisha. So Chhau is the famous dance form of Odisha. Okay, so that is being performed by the people of Odisha. तो जो उड़ीसा के जो लोग हैं, they perform this famous dance form. Okay, so Chhau is the famous dance form of Odisha. Moving to the fifth one, that is, what is the fifth dance form? That is Bihu. So most of you must be aware of this, that is Bihu. So Bihu is the famous dance form of Assam. Okay, so जो असम के लोग हैं जिसको रोंगाली बिहू बोलते हैं, they call it Rongali Bihu. So when it is performed, Rongali Bihu is being performed during the their harvest festival. देखिए बिहू is a festival. Okay, जब वो रोंगाली बिहू उनका एक फेस्टिवल होता है, तो उस टाइम पे वो क्या करते हैं कि दिस इज अ हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल. जैसे बैसाखी होता है वैसे ही रोंगाली बिहू इज ऑल्सो अ हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल दैट इज बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द पीपल ऑफ असम. सो दे ऑल्सो वेयर कलरफुल ड्रेसेस एंड द बिहू ड्रेस एंड दे परफॉर्म देयर डांसेस. ओके, सो टू सेलिब्रेट दैट फेस्टिवल, उस फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, रोंगाली बिहू को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, ओके, सो दे परफॉर्म दिस ट्रेडिशनल फोक डांस ऑफ Assam. Okay, so the girls, they wear red saris with a golden touch. Okay, and the men, they wear the white kurtas and the dhotis, and they wear मतलब एक सिर पे एक साफा सा बांधते हैं, कपड़ा सा बांधते हैं, they tie a knot. Okay, and they play just a जो ढोलक सा होता है. So this is the Bihu. Bihu is a famous dance form of Assam. तो जब भी हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल, दिस इज रोंगाली बिहू इज अ हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल दैट इज बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द पीपल इन असम. उस दिन वो दे स्टार्टेड आफ्टर द सेलिब्रेटिंग दिस फेस्टिवल. दिस फेस्टिवल इज द साइन दैट नाउ दे कैन स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग देयर पैडी फील्ड्स टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स. नाउ दे कैन अब वो अपनी जो क्रॉप्स ग्रो करने के लिए वो जो अपनी पैडी फील्ड्स है, दे कैन प्रिपेयर दैम सो दैट दे कैन ग्रो देयर क्रॉप्स. ओके, फॉर द कमिंग व्हाट वी कॉल इट, फॉर द कमिंग सीजन. Okay, so that is Rongali Bihu. Rongali Bihu is a festival that is being celebrated by the people of Odisha. So that is, so the name of the dance form is Bihu. This is Bihu, Bihu, and this Bihu is being celebrated in the dance, is the folk dance of Assam. ASSAM. Bihu is the famous folk dance of Assam. Bihu is the famous folk dance of Assam. Next is Lavani. Okay, so Lavani is the famous dance form of which state? That is of Maharashtra. तो लावनी कौन सी स्टेट का फेमस डांस फॉर्म है? दैट इज महाराष्ट्र. सो द वुमेन्स दोज हु परफॉर्म दिस लावनी डांस, दे वेयर अ वेरी ब्राइट कलर लावनी. वो एक साड़ी पहनते हैं, तो जो कि दैट लुक लाइक जस्ट लाइक थोड़ी सी बनारसी लुक होता है, बट दैट इज अ लावनी साड़ी. ओके, so they just wear, and they also wear the various ornament like they wear gajra in their hats. Okay, तो अपने हेयर डू करते हुए तो वो बंस बना, they make high buns. उसके ऊपर they just various accessories they have to wear on their heads. In their nose they wear a very big one nose pin. So there are the various accessories that are being worn by the women, those who perform lavani. Okay, and this is one this is a kind of a very energetic dance form. Okay, so this lavani is one of the very energetic dance form. Okay, so the performers who perform this lavani dance, जो ये lavani dance perform करते, they should be very energetic. उनको बहुत ही energetic होना पड़ता है to perform this lavani dance. Okay, so the next is, the sixth one is lavani, Lavani. So lavani is the famous dance form of Maharashtra. Maharashtra. So lavani is the famous dance form of Maharashtra. These lavani dances were being performed by the women. महाराष्ट्रियन वुमेन्स होती हैं, they perform this dance, and they commonly performs these dances on weddings. So whenever there is any wedding in their houses, जब उनके घर में किसी भी तरह की कोई wedding होती है, so they used to perform this beautiful lavani dance. And this lavani dance, it also needs a lot of energy. इसके लिए बहुत energy, they are quick movements, okay, that are being required while performing this lavani dance. Okay, so these are the name of some of the folk dances, and these are the name of the states in which these folk dances are being performed. So the first is Garba. Garba is the famous dance form of Gujarat. Second is Ghumar. Ghumar is the famous dance form of Rajasthan. Third is Bhangra. Bhangra is the famous dance form of Punjab. Fourth is Chhau. Chhau is the famous dance form of Odisha. Next is fifth is Bihu. So Bihu is the famous dance form of Assam. And last is the Lavani. So Lavani is the famous dance form of Maharashtra. Okay. So you have to note it down in your notebooks. Sorry, in your books. Okay. Chaliye. Next. Let's move to the next one that is given in your book. Okay. So let me just erase it. Okay. So now the next dance form that we are going to talk about, that is Karakattam. So the next dance form that we are talking about, that is Karakattam. K-A-T-T-A-M. That is Karakattam. So Karakattam is the famous dance form of Tamil Nadu. तो तमिलनाडु का जो folk dance है. So this Karakattam is the famous dance form, you can say, or you can say this Karakattam is the famous folk dance of Tamil Nadu. So the people from the Tamil Nadu, they performed this Karakattam folk dance during their various celebrations. So बहुत से celebrations के दौरान they perform this Karakattam dance form. Okay, so as you can see in the picture that is given in your book. So here's a picture you can see in your book. So here the women, they are performing the Karakattam. They are wearing the very beautiful saris, the bright color saris with a golden border, and they have kept pot on their heads. So they have to make the balance while performing this Karakattam dance. तो जब भी ये Karakattam dance perform करते हैं तो they have to make the balance of that pot on their head. तो जो उन्होंने अपने सिर के ऊपर वो pot रखा होता है उसका उनको balance भी बनाना होता है. So this is a kind of a very typical dance form. Okay, though the people from the Tamil Nadu, they also love to perform this beautiful dance form, that is Karakattam. So Karakattam is the famous folk dance form of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. T-A-M-I-L. Tamil Nadu. So Karakattam is the famous dance form of Tamil Nadu. Moving to the eighth one, that is Pulikali. The next is Pulikali. So Pulikali is the famous dance form of which state? So Pulikali is the famous dance form of Kerala. So जो केरला के जो लोग हैं, they perform this folk dance during their various celebrations. Okay, so the famous dance form of Kerala is Pulikali. So what is in this Pulikali? So as you can see, this is kind of a the people, they make various faces. So sometimes they wear the faces of the lions and the animals के faces बना के. So this is just a kind of a violent dance. मतलब not violent, you will see. Okay, so एक तरह से ये एक जिसमें कि जो डांस फॉर्म परफॉर्म करते हैं, that is okay. So they just make they have to wear great makeup to when they perform this Pulikali dance. So Pulikali dance is a famous dance form of Kerala. Okay, so these are the various dance forms. The seventh is Karakattam. So Karakattam is the famous dance form of Tamil Nadu. Next is Pulikali. So Pulikali is the famous dance form of Kerala. Okay, so another year that you must write in your notebooks. Okay, so then another dance form that I want to say here, that is Yakshanga. Y-A-K-S-H Yashgana is the famous dance form of Karnataka. It's the famous dance form of Karnataka. This is the famous dance form of Karnataka. Okay. Yakshagana is the famous dance form of Karnataka. So you must just write it down in your notebooks. Okay. So this was the topic from this was the topic from this page number 35. Okay. So we have little bit time more. So we can discuss one more little topic from your book. Okay. So let's discuss one more topic from your book. Okay, so we will discuss one more topic from the same unit. Okay, so let's revise page number 57, that is familiar faces. Okay, so all of you just open your books at page number 57, that is familiar faces. Okay, I'm just writing the topic on the board, that is familiar faces. And this is given at page number 57. This is the topic, that is familiar faces. Okay, so in this topic you can see the pictures of various celebrities and various great personalities are given. So most of them they belong to the Bollywood only. So जो ये सब हैं ये most of them all of them they belong to the Bollywood or either to the some acting. Okay, so their career is acting. So जितने भी इसमें actors हमें दिख रहे हैं they are actors, or some other musician as well. The only one musician is here, directors is there, great actors are there. So you have to identify their pictures. ठीक है, आपको इनकी pictures को identify करते हुए you have to write their names below their pictures. Okay, though you have already done, so we will just identify them. Okay, so the most important part is that how these questions will come in your exams. तो आपके एग्जाम्स में ये क्वेश्चंस कैसे आएंगे? तो बेटा आपके एग्जाम्स में ये क्वेश्चंस दैट विल कम इन द पिक्चर फॉर्म ओनली. सो पिक्चर विल बी गिवन द नेम्स ऑफ द वेरियस पर्सनालिटीज दैट मस्ट बी ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स से हो, एक्टिंग फील्ड से हो, बॉलीवुड से हो, कुछ भी फील्ड से हो सकते. दे मस्ट बी कैन बी फ्रॉम एनी फील्ड. सो द पिक्चर विल बी गिवन देयर एंड द नेम्स विल बी गिवन एंड यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द पिक्चर एंड देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Clear? So while identifying the picture, you have to give the correct answer from the options given from the multiple choice question MCQs. Okay, so that is of 20 marks that will be given. Okay, so the first picture, as you can see in your book, so she is Deepika Padukone. She is Deepika Padukone. She is also the one of the leading actor. Okay, in the Bollywood, she is also known as the Queen of Bollywood. Okay. So she is Deepika Padukone. She is known for her beauty, for her acting skills. Okay. Now she is, what's her name? She is Deepika Padukone. She has made her debut with one of the greatest Badshah of Bollywood, that is Shah Rukh Khan, in the movie Om Shanti Om. And her name is Deepika Padukone. So the first actor whose picture is given here, that is Deepika Padukone. That is Deepika Padukone. Okay, so you can see the picture of Deepika Padukone here. Second, he is known as the god in the South film industry. So he is Rajnikant. Okay, he is known as the Sir Rajnikant. इनको Sir Rajnikant बोला जाता है. So the people they admire him, they love him. Okay, so he is Sir Rajnikant. इनको Sir Rajnikant बोला जाता है. जो लोग हैं they respect him so much. जो लोग हैं इनकी बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, whether they are in the southern part, but all around the world actually, or especially in India. So the people whether they belong to the any part of the India, so they all just admire him, they just love him, they just love their his down to earth nature, his down to earth personality, and his name is Rajnikant. He is Rajnikant. Rajnikant. He is Rajnikant. He is Rajnikant. Clear? Third one. This is the picture of one of the energetic actor from our Bollywood. He is Ranveer Singh. Okay, he is Ranveer Singh, and he is the husband of Deepika Padukone. He is now married to Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh are a married couple. Okay, so he is also known for, so he is his acting in the movie Padmavat. So he has, मतलब इनको जो मोस्टली फेम मिला था, सो ही हैज़ गॉट मोस्ट ऑफ द फेम फ्रॉम हिज वन ऑफ द वेरी लीडिंग बॉलीवुड मूवी दैट इज़ पद्मावत. तो उनके इसके लिए इनको बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स मिले, बहुत अप्रिसिएशन मिली फॉर हिज ग्रेट एक्टिंग इन द मूवी पद्मावत. So that's why he is known as the energy man of the Bollywood. So he is Ranveer Singh. Okay, so the third picture is of Ranveer Singh. So he is Ranveer Singh. Clear? Fourth one. So the fourth picture. So this fourth picture. This is the picture of Amitabh Bachchan. So he is also the Big B. Okay, जिसको बोला जाता है, he is Big B. इनको शहंशाह बोला जाता है. So Amitabh Bachchan, he is one of the legends from the Bollywood industry. Just like Rajnikant, he is also a legend from the Bollywood industry, and he is Amitabh Bachchan. को श्री अमिताभ बच्चन बोला जाता है. He is the father of Abhishek Bachchan and the father-in-law of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Okay, so he has faced so much. So he has gained so much fame and name while struggling. उनको अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल के बाद, so he has got so much fame in the Bollywood as well as in the Hollywood or as well in the all over the world. So his famous show you must be watching, that is कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. तो ये इनका एक पॉपुलर शो है जो आज भी आता है, and that is a very fruitful one. So he is one of the very important person in the Bollywood. He is Shri Amitabh Bachchan. But here we are going to write only Amitabh Bachchan. He is a great actor, that is Amitabh Bachchan. BACCHAN. That is Amitabh Bachchan. He is Amitabh Bachchan. He is one of the greatest Bollywood legendary actor. Okay. Next is he is one of the great actors, directors from the Bollywood. He is Karan Johar. इनकी बहुत सारी movies हैं जो कि that have been popular, that are on family issues, love life and all that. Okay, so this is the picture of one of the leading directors in the Bollywood, directors as well as the producer. So he is one of the leading director and the producer of Bollywood. That is Karan Johar. That is Karan Johar. He is Karan Johar. Okay. So he is also one of the greatest director of the Bollywood. Okay. So he is Karan Johar. Last, that is he is one of the famous musician. So he is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. He plays the sarod. ये sarod बजाते हैं. Okay, so that is also very beautiful musical instrument that is being used in the, especially the Sufi music. जब भी कोई Sufi music होता है, so this sarod musical instrument that is being used by the great players. So he is Ustad Amjad. He is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. He is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. He is also one of the leading musician. Okay, so he is a great player of sarod. Okay, so these are the names of some of the leading Bollywood actors, directors and the musician. First is the Deepika Padukone, second is the Rajnikant, third is Ranveer Singh, the fourth is the Amitabh Bachchan, fifth is the Karan Johar, and the last is the Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Okay, so these are the personalities, those who have given so much to the Bollywood. इन्होंने Bollywood को बहुत सारा name and fame दिया है. Okay, so due to this the Bollywood has gained so much popularity all around the world. दुनिया में जो Bollywood का name है, that is due to the presence of all these great personalities only. Okay, so this was the topic that we have discussed, and this was all from our today's session class. Okay. So the two topics that we have done today, the first is the famous folk dances of India, and the second one was familiar faces. Okay, and you must do the revision, okay, so that you can be able to make good scores in the coming exams. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.